I should probably test this audio. Camera is, new phone. Camera is right here. Boop. I think we're ready to go. Yeah, I think so. All right. This lighting is terrible. We are just gonna get started. Welcome back, everybody. Wow, what is this? I feel like Great Flags, Six Flags, Great Adventure sort of feel. All right. Welcome back, everybody, to the cupboard drawer. It's been a minute, but I'm here ready with a brand new project for you. Background might look a little bit different, and that's because I moved. The last few months have been really crazy, but I'm excited for 2022 and all the projects that I hope to bring to you this year. Today, we're starting off with a home improvement project. I created a TikTok on this a while back, but I never really used it.
I've had this IKEA dresser for over 15 years, and it's kind of fallen apart, as you can see. But I'm not ready to give up on it just yet.
We're here taking an old IKEA dresser and turning it into shelving. You can probably see behind me, I don't got much counter space in this new place. And I want to utilize this empty space for some shelving. But right now, let's tackle these shelves. And we're gonna do it the cupboard drawer way, with whatever I have laying around. Before I get to the shelves, let me show you the brackets I'm gonna be using. I already have 3 white brackets, but I need 4. And I've been to Home Depot to try to find this replacement one, but they just don't have this in stock. I have a bunch of these brown brackets, and I decided to spray paint them white. Now, I did this in a very ventilated area with my window that was open, that's currently closed, but this was painted a while ago. Here are my beautiful walls, and they have this really cool framing, but the shelves are not gonna fit around the framing. And I'm a little bit concerned about things falling behind the shelf. So I'm gonna create some cutouts, and we'll see how this goes. Now here are the pieces from the IKEA dresser, and I've made the markings for the cutouts, and I really wish I had some sort of router or saw, but I'm just gonna use a drill. So here's where things went off the rails. I kind of forgot what I was doing and I stopped recording. I just really wanted to get this project done. But basically, I finished drilling the holes and then I sanded them smooth as I possibly could before painting them white. Then I attached the brackets and, well, here's what I came up with. So here you can see where I sanded those cutouts really smooth. They didn't come out exactly perfect, but I'm still really happy with how this project came out. Thanks so much for joining me on this short little project, this little upcycling, recycling adventure. I'm really excited about my move and all the new projects that are gonna come along with it. There's so many things that I wanna show you. These shelves are just the beginning. What other DIY projects have you made from your old furniture? Put your ideas below, I wanna hear them. Thank you so much again for joining me. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you next time here on The Cupboard Drawer.